Right, we are going to do a reverse bay parking now. So when you're ready, let's park the car, please. Parking which side? Yeah. So what is your reference?
The line touches the first line of the parking.
So how many boxes behind you going now?
2. No, 3.
3 in total, yeah. What do we do before we move, Sukhil?
Check the 6 points.
They look for 2 things, don't they?
Yeah.
What 2 things are there?
6 points, and if anything is moving on
Observation
observation,
and control of the car. Why have we got the
steering.
window down?
Just see the line.
The line's gonna be in the mirror. You're going backwards, now you're going forward. Like, quick check again. Oh no, do not do that. You know it's not right. Observation. Bring that line in the middle. That one. That's more important to you now. Okay. We fixed it. What went wrong?
Went too much closer to the line.
No. So what was your reference? Just remind me again now.
The side mirror touches the first line of the box.
Where you got the mirror from? Wasn't it supposed to be this tape? Huh?
Yeah.
It was a tape.
Okay.
Tape should be touching the line, and then you end up on third box behind. Because you started using a mirror, so instead of the tape, you use the mirror, which is
much
here.
Yeah.
And as soon as you start parking, you're going over to the side
over
now.
to the side, yeah.
Okay, let's go to the right. When you come out, when you're ready, go to the right, and we're going to do this parking again, please. So in this parking, how many boxes I'm going behind?
3.
3. So in this parking, I need to be very careful. I don't want to end up next to the car.
Oh.
So is there any car there?
Yeah. There was
So are there 3 boxes empty? Because it's more chances if I go close to the car, I'm going to be worried about the car rather than my parking now. So reference is this. Well done, that's better. Happy with that?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. So when you're ready, you're going to the right, please. What is a hazard for us here?
People moving.
Okay,
Cars.
what else is here?
There's a car there, so I can see if there's a car
Right,
coming or not.
good. So what do I do in this situation?
Just go a little bit forward and put your head to see.
Lean forward and you see clearly what's happening on the road.
There's no car.